Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Welcome to Wiley, Texas. We're here with Heritage Landscape Supply for a hands-on Alliance install training. This is a professional training for contractors who want to win more jobs, stand out from competitors, and get that repeat business.
And we're not just showing you how to hook up lights. We'll cover quoting, design, installation, and the little details that separate pros from everybody else. Because those details are what makes you the contractor our customers trust.
The first steps are planning the install and building a quote. First, we learn what the client would like to get out of the project.
Our front steps get so dark at night, I'm always worried that somebody's gonna trip. And honestly, I don't like how wide open the yard feels after dark. It just doesn't feel very secure. And we love having people over, but once the sun sets, the backyard just kind of disappears and it doesn't feel very inviting at all.
Missy's concerns aren't unusual. They're the same things most homeowners bring up: safety, security, and aesthetics. Every lighting design should address those three pillars if you want the job done right. As contractors, your job is to translate goals like these into a plan you can quote and install efficiently.
Here's where a lot of contractors lose ground. Don't quote by fixture. If you tell a customer that's 3 lights for the walkway, they'll shop you on price. Instead, sell the value of lighting the area. We're going to make your walkway safe and usable at night. That's a solution, not a parts list.
And here's another key. Always build in a maintenance package. Lamps may need replacing, fixtures might shift, or plants may grow over lights. A maintenance package not only gives your customer peace of mind, it builds recurring revenue for you. Here's the design for this project. Ground lights along the walkway, flush to the turf so that nothing interferes with the lawn equipment. Path lights to safely guide visitors and highlight the landscapes. Down lights on the porch columns, adding warmth and security. And up lights to accent architecture and give depth.
And handling the power is the IT2 transformer.
Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, no extra hubs. External antenna for stronger signal coverage. Built-in power meter visible in the app. Fault detection that shows issues instantly. Contractor-friendly wiring layout. 3 zones for flexible control.
The zoning feature is what really sets the IT2 apart. With 3 zones, you can give your customers more control and smarter use of their system. For Missy, we set up a welcoming zone that stays on until bedtime, a perimeter zone that keeps the property secure all night, and an entertaining zone in the backyard that she can turn on or off whenever she wants. That's professional design tailored to the way this homeowner actually lives.
Prep is where you win or lose time. Start by choosing a transformer location with easy power access and a clear path for wires. Plan your runs across walkways, under turf, through beds before you ever open a box.
And don't skip this. Cutting corners in prep guarantees problems later.
You'll also want to unbox and prep your fixtures now. Insert lamps, change mounts if needed, and set everything in place before starting the install. Every pro should show up with the right tools: wire strippers, waterproof connectors, cordless drill, trenching spade, rubber mallet, level, multimeter, gloves, safety glasses, and knee pads. And here's a pro tip. A laser pointer will help check fixture aim during the day. The right tools save time and keep you looking professional. For the BT system, range extenders are non-negotiable. Think in triangles, not straight lines. That's what keeps communications solid.
There are 3 types: plug-in, surface mount, and stake mount. Watch for obstructions and always check the indicator lights.
Do it once and do it right, and the system stays connected and reliable. The BT system makes lighting more than just on and off. With the app, you can connect via Bluetooth and change color temperature on every BT lamp, from a warm 2700 Kelvin to a brighter 4000 Kelvin, to match the mood or the space.
And when the client wants to go big, BT lamps also have full RGB color control. That means holidays, game days, parties, or just a personal touch, all from the same system.
Contractors can group lamps, build scenes, and protect the system with the secure network. The BT system is the premier lighting solution today's clients are asking for. Each fixture type has its own install method. Downlights must always point down, never up. Use brackets when mounting uplights overhead, and keep brackets and wiring off tree bark to prevent damage over time. For in-ground lights, sleeves provide stability and room for service wire. Set the sleeve level with the grade so the fixture sits just above the surface, safe from mowers and standing water. Uplights should be placed clear of mowing or trimming paths. The real key is nighttime adjustments. Balance beams for uniform light and use shrouds to block glare. Path lights take extra planning. Avoid the runway effect by staggering side to side. Spacing depends on surface and use. Closer for dark, uneven paths used by guests, or wider for smooth, light paths mainly used by homeowners. One detail that separates a high-end install from a standard one: properly hiding wires. Always follow local electrical codes and make sure the wire is buried deep enough to meet minimum cover requirements. In turf, slit and close the grass with a spade. On structures, tuck wire neatly behind trim or grooves and secure it. In beds, bury under mulch or soil but leave slack for adjustments. Loose or exposed wires are shortcuts that inspectors and customers always notice. Clean wire work isn't optional. Hidden wires show professionalism and keeps jobs looking sharp for years. Once the system is wired, use the BT app to set up a secure network, label fixtures, and group them. Use the IT Pro app to assign schedules and zones. For step-by-step training, our video libraries are always available.
This is where pros stand out. Use a dedicated control tablet, do all the setup and programming on that device, then hand it off to the homeowner.
And most importantly, never leave without training the client. Walk them through the basics so they can control their system on their own. That simple step saves you a dozen callbacks. All right, Missy, are you ready to see your lights?
I am.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It looks like a completely different house. There aren't even any words. This is amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Okay, so what we've done here along your pathway to your door is we've installed ground lights. This is going to allow for your guests to be able to see coming up your pathway, and it addresses the safety hazard of the steps coming up and just highlights all the way up to your front door.
This is great. This really, really addresses that whole safety issue that we were talking about earlier.
Up here on your pillars, we've installed some down lights. That way it provides a nice measure of security to your front porch. We also installed a bullet light here to shine up and illuminate the flag.
I love it. I love the way the house is just completely lit up and transformed.
Well, right here as we go into the backyard, we have a nice little surprise for you. It was nice and dark over here, so we've put in one of our mini lights. That way, when you're heading into the backyard, you can see your gate and you can easily unlatch it without fumbling around in the dark.
I love that because I was always afraid to come back here after it got dark, and this is perfect. I'm not afraid anymore. I love it.
Well, you want to go see inside and see what the backyard has to offer?
Absolutely. I'm excited.
Well, let's do it. Well, here we are. We're in the backyard. We've done a little bit of what you can see out there. We've had some bullet lights to highlight the trees out there and give you some nice, not only security, but also to make your backyard look really aesthetically pleasing at night.
I love it. I love it. We've never wanted to come back here because it was always too dark and unwelcoming. And this just is 180 degrees difference. So I absolutely love it.
And we have these wonderful hanging lights with the little twinkle cutouts. So
love these.
It provides a nice little ambiance when you're back here.
I have never seen these lights before, but I absolutely love them. This is such a great surprise out here.
And it's also great if these are a little too light for you, a little too bright. You can always use your app to dim them down a little bit, create a little bit more of a different ambiance here, a different mood. We can also do some changing of colors if you're feeling
Festive.
Yep, we
I
got
love
some green, a nice little blue. purple.
And it's so easy.
Yep, just a touch of a button.
Wonderful.
We'll go back to your 2700 Kelvin.
Love it.
And in the carriage light up here, we have the A19 bulb. So you can also change color and do the dimming and all that stuff with your existing 120 fixture.
That is great.
Well, Missy, thank you so much for having us out. I'm so glad that you like the lights.
I love the lights.
Good. I am super pumped that you do. And we want to say thank you to Heritage as well for hosting and our contractors for coming out. And thank you for watching.
And I want to say thank you to Alliance Outdoor Lighting. I do not want to go inside.